So hi everyone. In the last class, we have studied about drugs acting on CNS. In this drugs acting on CNS, we have studied sedatives and hypnotics. Again, in sedatives and hypnotics, we have studied about benzodiazepines. No, not benzodiazepines, barbiturates. We have seen the structural activity relationship of barbiturates. Now today we are going to see the different classes of barbiturates. What are the different classes of barbiturates? They are long acting, intermediate acting, and short acting and ultra short acting. So first of all, we will see the long acting barbiturate. Number one is long acting barbiturate. Long acting barbiturate. What are the example of long acting barbiturate? Number one is phenobarbital. That is phenobarbital. What is the structure of phenobarbital? The structure of phenobarbital is like this. See, in this barbiturate, how many ketone group are there? 3 ketone group. How many nitrogen are there? 2 nitrogen. Nitrogen at which position? At first and third position. Ketone group at which what position? 2, 4 and 6 position. Okay, at fifth position what are there? 2 hydrogen are there. And we have started in the structural activity relationship. If these 2 hydrogen are replaced with any other group, then what will happen? The activity will increase. So when we replace the hydrogen at fifth position with phenyl and ethyl group, then what will happen? The activity of the barbital will increase. That is, activity of the barbiturate will increase. So this is the structure of phenobarbital. In this is the phenyl group. So phenyl group. Again, barbital is for the barbital derivative. Okay. So what is the structure? Again, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the numbering. Now here in the fifth position, ethyl group is there and phenyl group is there. So which one will you write first in the naming? So let's start the IUPAC naming. So IUPAC naming. In IUPAC naming, we will start from fifth position. So 5 ethyl. You will write ethyl first. Why ethyl? Then 5 phenyl. Why ethyl first? Because of alphabetical order. So you will start naming according to alphabetical order. So 5 ethyl, 5 phenyl, then 2, 4, 6 trioxo. Already I told you 2, 4, 6 trioxo, hexa, hydro, 2, 4, 6 trioxo, hexahydro. Next, pyrimidine. 2, 4, 6 trioxo, hexahydro, pyrimidine. Okay. You can also write the name like 5 ethyl, 5 phenyl barbitone. Directly you can say, or 5 ethyl, 5 phenyl barbitone. Why barbitone? Because it is containing ketone groups. Okay. So this phenobarbital is the long acting barbiturate. Next, number 2 is methyl phenobarbital, or you can say mephobarbital. In this mephobarbital, wait, I'll show you. Methyl phenobarbital, or you can say mephobarbital. Why mepho? In the mephobarbital, wait, I'll write the name also. Or mepho, M-E-P, mephobarbital. Why mephobarbital? Because this me means methyl, pho means phenyl, and remaining barbital as same mephobarbital. Now in this what will happen? It is also approximately same as phenobarbital. Only what is different is that in mephobarbital you will see the nitrogen is methylated. At first position, this nitrogen is methylated. In this CH3 is added. So this is methyl phenobarbital. So it is called methyl phenobarbital. So it is called mephobarbital. And how will be the naming start? Same 5 methyl. So no 5 ethyl, and then you will write 5 methyl, then 5 phenyl. So first you will write 5 ethyl, then 5 methyl, 5 ethyl, 5 methyl, 5 phenyl, 2,4,6 trioxo hexahydropyrimidine. Same. Or you can also say 5 ethyl, 5 ethyl, then 1 methyl. This is not 5, sorry, extremely sorry. 1 methyl. 5 ethyl, 1 methyl, again 5 phenyl barbitone. Directly you can write 5 ethyl, 1 methyl, 5 phenyl barbitone. 5 ethyl, 1 methyl, 5 phenyl barbitone. Next we will see class 2 barbiturate. Class 2 barbiturate in the sense intermediate acting. This is long acting. Now we will see intermediate acting. Intermediate acting barbiturate. So what will be the intermediate acting barbiturate? Number 1 is amobarbital, or you can say amylobarbital. And number 2 is allobarbital. Okay. So now we will see the structure along with that IUPAC naming. This is very important. So first we will see amobarbital or amylobarbital. So the structure of amobarbital is like this. In this nitrogen is there, ketone group is there, everything is same. Only what will happen in the case of here ethyl group also will there as phenobarbital. Now in that case isopentyl here isopentyl group will be there. So isopentyl in the sense 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4, 5 like this. So this is iso group. Why it is called iso? Because in that this carbon is secondary carbon, yes or no? So when secondary carbon is there, it is called iso. Now how many carbon are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is called isopentyl group. And this isopentyl group, because of this isopentyl group, it is called amobarbital. So what will be the IUPAC name? Ethyl group is as it is. Now what will be the IUPAC name? 5 ethyl, 5 ethyl, 5 isopentyl barbituric acid, or you can say 5 ethyl, 5 isopentyl barbitone. 5 ethyl, 5 isopentyl barbitone. You can also say 5 ethyl, 5 isopentyl 2, 4, 6 trioxo hexahydropyrimidine. Okay. Next we will see the structure of allobarbital. But before going to allobarbital, I want to tell you one thing. This is called amobarbital and it is also called amylobarbitone. either amobarbital or amylobarbitone. Why? Because this is amylo and this is amobarbital or amylobarbitone. These things will be asked in the GPAT exam mainly. You have to remember that allobarbital is very important, and in GPAT question asked from allobarbital. Okay, so naming of allobarbital also you have to remember properly. Now I will tell you one thing, that in allobarbital the name allo came from which group? This allo came from allyl group. Allyl group. And what does allyl group means? Allyl group means this is called allyl group. This double bond, single bond, along with that halogen. So this is called allyl group. You have to remember that, okay? Because of this, it is called allobarbital. Now we will see the structure of allobarbital. So in this, same as it is, nitrogen at first and third position, along with that at 2, 4, 6 position, ketone group. Along with that double bond, single bond, same double bond, single bond. So this is called allobarbital. Okay, so what will be the IUPAC name? You have to remember that one. This group is called allyl group. Double bond, single bond, single bond. These two are allyl group in allobarbital. Remaining everything is same. How many members are there in the ring? 6 members. How many nitrogen groups? 2 nitrogen are there. So what is the heterocyclic structure? The heterocyclic ring is called pyrimidine ring. You have to remember that, pyrimidine ring. So what will be the IUPAC name? 5, 5, 5, 5 diallyl barbitone, or you can say 5, 5 diallyl barbituric acid. 5, 5 diallyl barbitone, or you can say 5, 5 diallyl barbi, not tone. In that case, you can say barbituric acid, and you can also say 5, 5 diallyl 2, 4, 6 trioxohexahydropyrimidine. So you can write 3 names, either barbitone or barbituric acid or 2,4,6 trioxohexahydropyrimidine. So next we will see the short acting barbiturates. These are long acting and intermediate acting completed. Now we will see the short acting barbiturate or barbituric acid. So number 3 is short acting barbiturate, that is number 3. Now in short acting barbiturate, what you will see? You will see pentobarbital, pento and seco. So pentobarbital and seco barbital. These two are short acting barbiturate derivative. So in pentobarbital, everything is same as earlier, only one group will be changed, that is one group will be replaced, and the structure will be like this. See, same as it is. As earlier. Now what will happen? Here you will see one ethyl group is present. One ethyl group will be present here. My ink is completed. One ethyl group is present, and you will see 5 carbon group, that is isopentyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Along with that 5. So this is called isopentyl group, and along with that you will see ethyl group, and remaining everything is same. Okay, so you have to remember this is ethyl group and this is isopentyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is called pentobarbital because of this 5 carbon. So you have to write here isopentyl group. Remaining everything is same. Okay, so what will be the name? 5 ethyl 5 ethyl 5 isopentyl barbitone. Okay, 5 ethyl 5 isopentyl barbitone. Or you can also write 5 ethyl 5 isopentyl 2,4,6 trioxo. 5 ethyl 5 isopentyl 2,4,6 trioxo hexahydropyrimidine. Now we will see the structure of secobarbital. So secobarbital. In this, what will happen? Everything will be same except the ethyl group will be replaced by allyl group. In earlier, what we have seen that isopentyl group was there. Along with that isopentyl group, what was there? Ethyl group was there. Like this, yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is isopentyl group. Along with that ethyl group was there, and remaining everything was same. Now in this ethyl group will be replaced by allyl group only. Ethyl group will be replaced by allyl group, and everything will be same. So now what will be the name? 5 allyl 5 isopentyl 5 allyl 5 isopentyl barbitone. Okay, what is that? 5 allyl 5 isopentyl barbitone. So you have to remember this one is allyl group and this one is isopentyl group. So what is the difference between secobarbital and pentobarbital? In pentobarbital, ethyl group will be there. In secobarbital, allyl group will be there. Okay. Can you please tell me what is this called? This group is called amide group. When C double bond O is present along with an adjacent amine group, this is called amide group. So it is, you can also say it is amide derivative. Okay. And cyclic amide is also called lactam. If you remember, cyclic amide is also called lactam. So you can also say it is a lactam derivative. For example, when you saw the structure of penicillin, in penicillin is also called beta lactam antibiotics, you know. Why it is called beta lactam antibiotics? Because in that you will see one nitrogen is there, along with that carbon is there, like this. And along with that you will see that carbon has something like this. Here one nitrogen will be there and double bond O will be there. So what I want to say is that this cyclic structure is called cyclic amide. Why? Because C double bond O is present adjacent to nitrogen group, and again this cyclic amide is called lactam. That's why it is called beta lactam. Why it is called beta lactam? Now see, this is present at which position? 1 to that is alpha beta. After that this one is present, so this is called beta position. That's why it is called beta lactam antibiotics. Penicillin, cephalosporin, all are classes of beta lactam antibiotics. In the same way, barbiturates are also derivative of lactam, and they are also derivative of cyclic amide. They are also derivative of pyrimidine, and they are also derivative of, right here, derivative of lactam, derivative of cyclic structure, that is cyclic amide, derivative of amide, and derivative of pyrimidine. Now we will see the last one, that is ultra short acting barbiturate. So ultra short acting barbiturate, that is class 4. In ultra short acting derivative, what we will see? Thiopental, that is thiopental. So example is thiopental. So when you listen thiopental, from this name only you may have remembered that this thio means presence of sulfur. Sulfur is called thio, yes or no? So sulfur will be present in the ring. So structure will be like this as earlier as it is. Here one nitrogen will be there, another nitrogen will be there, along with this double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Everything is same. But this O, this O is now connected with sulfur. So this is called thiocarbonyl group. This group is called thiocarbonyl group. And due to the presence of this group, it is called thiopental. Remaining is same as. So in this isopentyl group is also there. This is isopentyl group, and ethyl group will also be there. This is ethyl group. This is isopentyl group. Along with that, this thiocarbonyl group will be present. This is most important, this group, for that naming, thiopental. And you have to remember that it is ultra short acting. Okay, now we will see the naming. So naming will be very, very simple. That is 5-ethyl 5-isopentyl thiobarbitone. 5-ethyl 5-isopentyl thiobarbitone. That's it. So up to this, classes of barbiturate derivative are completed. After that, in the next class, we will see the synthesis of barbiturates. Okay, thank you.